Hello! Today we are choosing ourselves by treating us with the same respect we give people we love. So let's start now. With dignity, just bring your leg as straight as you can, with a little bend in the knee. And if it's more comfortable for you to put a pillow under your knees or sitting on a folded blanket, that's all good. Back is straight. So to make that happen, if you need to bend your knee, do so. We're gonna align with dignity. So however your body is shaped or need to do to make this happen, we're gonna treat it with respect. So there's the cat, of course. It wouldn't be a video without the cat walking in, right? Let's maybe bring our hands back for a little support. My fingers are pointing away from me. We're gonna move with awareness and confidence. So inhale your arms up and exhale, round your back, just round your back. A little confidence here. Inhale forward, exhale, round your back. You don't have to go far and you don't have to touch your toes. Yoga isn't about touching our toes, right? It's about the journey, getting there or close to it. And maybe with each inhale, adding a little length on the spine, honoring your limitations. Exhale, relax. Now feel the nice stretch under the legs. And inhale back up. Now with some dignity here, we're gonna open up our arms up. Big inhale and starting at the bottom of our spine. Nice twist to the side. Maybe placing your hand down again for support. The other hand can go on your waist, on your leg, wherever you want it to be. It's all good. Now let's do the other side. With great self-regard for ourselves, for our body, and twisting from the lower spine up. Inhale, and then the head comes out last here, right? Here you go. Just breathe, maybe looking a little bit to the side. And centering back up. Did you hear that? Yes, that's the cat. She wants all the attention. Again, we're going to honor our limitation. This time we're going to bend our knees if they're not already bent until your feet are touching the ground. Inhale, tall with pride. Exhale, round yourself. Maybe placing your arm around your legs. Maybe it's bracing yourself to the side. Whatever works for your body. Just rest your spine here. When ready, inhale up. And you are admirable. Just being there on the mat is great. Now, you can stay like this and just lean back a little bit. That's your modification. Or you can lift one leg or both. Maybe bringing everything up, maybe not. Exhale back down. Breathe a little bit. We're going to do that again. Have pride in yourself. Pride in yourself. The noise is my cat. She really wants the attention. She should just come here and say hi. So inhale, maybe exhale your legs down a little bit. Maybe they're up. Whatever works for you. Maybe your hands are down. That's great. This is great for the quads. Even if your heels are touching the ground, maybe like pressing your leg one towards another and lifting your heels off the ground a little bit. That's actually even harder than moving them up, right? And breathe. Now let's go back in our staff pose, aligning with dignity. And just breathe here. Again, we're gonna move with awareness and confidence, and take your time. Honor those limitations. We all have little issues or little accident that made our body a different way, or maybe that's how we're built, it's all good. It's all good. We have to accept what's going on and honor it. Inhale, round your back, exhale. Inhale, a little land. Maybe fingers are going more towards your feet. Keep breathing here. Relax, the neck is very relaxed. Little side to side movement. Come back up. Inhale, arm up from your lower waist. Exhale with dignity to the side. Brace your backhand towards the back to keep your back straight. Be proud, dear. Hey, you're doing all that work, right? We have to learn to say yes to ourselves way more often and no to others way more often too. And other side. Again, turning from the bottom of your spine, and then your head turns after. Tall and proud. Inhale back up. Now let's go on our back. I'm using my wrist here. Lift my bum, adjust yourself. And just bring your heel a little closer to your bum. And just feel all the part of your back that's touching the ground. So you're getting grounded, and that's just that little space on the lower back, that little natural curve. Now inhale, and as you exhale, press your belly button and make your back a little straighter. Remove that little space here. Keep breathing, and on an exhale, bring your knees to your chest. Nice hug, nice side to side. Big inhale. Bring your feet to the ground. Bring yourself to your elbows and your hands. And join me in the center of your mat. So remember that yoga is a practice. So like yoga, choosing ourselves takes practice. I'd like you to go on your belly here. Slow, slow, slow. Have faith in yourself here. Have faith in yourself. Here we go. You can stay like that if that doesn't feel right. Make yourself feel good. Hello, Paka. Yes, we know you're here. We heard you. We heard you. Yes. Yes, we did. We did. Make yourself comfy. Now this is your variation. Just bring your arm and place them back. Maybe the side of your forehead is touching the ground. You can stay like that if it's comfy. Maybe lifting your legs up a little bit off the ground. You can press on the back of your palm, the back of your hands here into the mat if it helps. If you want to add to that, inhale the chest up. And maybe bending the leg. You don't have to grab. Just try to keep your knee close to each other. Like you're blocking the whole camera again. Yes, we love you. Yes, we do. Exhale everything down. Rest a little bit. We're gonna start that. Yes, Baka. Yes, we love you, Baka. Yes, we do. Ready? Inhale up. Look around. Look around. Have faith in yourself. Knees towards one another. We try to keep the legs parallel. When you're ready, exhale everything down. Just keep breathing here. We're gonna turn into our back. Slow, slow, slow. Slow. With respect. Respecting our body the way it is, right? Inhale, exhale your knees towards your chest. Inhale, exhale your knees to one side. So make sure they're comfortable. Arms maybe elongate on each side. Inhale, you can look up the ceiling or you can look at the opposite part. Maybe bringing with the upper leg a little forward if it feels better. Just see what feels nice. Your knees don't have to touch the ground. Try to keep your shoulder blades on your mat if possible. And if one lifted, just bring your legs center first and bend those and just see what's going on. Here we go. Just breathe here. And let's bring our knee back towards our chest. Exhale them on the other side. Maybe one leg is a little higher. The upper legs is a little closer to your body. And just maybe look at the opposite direction if that's fine with your neck. Make sure your shoulders are not pinned into your ears and there's room here for your neck to move. Just breathe here. Just enjoy the nice twist. As always, respect yourself. If that doesn't work for you, come out of it. We're all built different and not every yoga position is for all of us. And let's come back to center. Nice big inhale, exhale again. Bring your knees towards you. Maybe going side to side a little bit. Bring your hand inside your leg. You can stay like this, or you can maybe just bring your knee closer to you, opening your hips, legs apart, and just look side to side very slow. And try to notice something you haven't noticed in a while that's there. Could be a speck of dust. Could be an object that's been there so long you forgot it is. Just notice what's around you. And maybe happy baby. Your happy baby is moving a little bit. You can stay still if that feels better. This is your choice. Everything is always your choice. Let's roll. If that doesn't feel right for you, just find yourself in a seated position. It's a nice little back massage. We can come back into our boat or just sit down with me. Yeah. And I'd like to quote you James Altucher. I hope I'm not destroying his name. And it is, stick with the people who loves you and don't spend a single second on the rest. Life will be better that way. Thank you so much for joining me today and choosing yourself. Namaste.